Hi. Hey. You after your christening day. Yes. You looking so cute. And so pretty in your dress. Yeah. Yes. Say hi to everybody. Say hi everyone. No, wait. Come. Say hey. Yes. Yes. You have so much to say, huh? You were so good at your christening. You didn't cry. You socialized with everybody. Yes. You had fun. Yeah, you had fun. Right? No. Kayla, come on, mama. Let the dress stay. Yes. Yes. Yeah, long day, right? We all tired. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Dress is so pretty, but she's trying to bite on it. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Say bye. Bye. Yeah, she said bye.